Welcome back to the BJJ Lender. I'm your host, Sham, and today we're diving into a topic that many small business owners overlook: succession planning. Whether you're planning to retire, move on to another project, or even in the unfortunate event of an emergency, having a plan in place for your future of your business is essential. Let's explore how to ensure your hard work continues even when you're not at the helm. Succession planning is essentially preparing for the future leadership of your business. It's about identifying potential leaders, developing those leaders, and having a plan in place for transitioning ownership or control of the business when time comes. Small business owners often work tirelessly to build their businesses, but sometimes they forget to lay the groundwork for a smooth transition. Without succession planning, businesses are left vulnerable to disruption, loss of value, and potential closure. Did you know that 70% of small businesses do not survive to the second generation? And of those that do, only 10% make it to the third. Without a clear succession plan, the future of your business could be uncertain, even after years of success. Succession planning is just not for large corporations. According to the NASBO, 58% of business owners plan to exit their businesses in the next 10 years, and many of them haven't yet implemented a succession plan. Start by identifying individuals within or outside your business who are capable of taking over. This might be a family member, a current employee, or even an external candidate with the right skills and visions for the company. Be sure to evaluate not just their technical skills, but also their leadership qualities and ability to adapt to your company's culture. It's not enough to just name a successor. The chosen individuals should be trained in both the operational and strategic aspects of your business. They need to understand the financials, customer relationships, and company values. A gradual transition where the successor works alongside with you for a period of time can help ensure a smoother handover. Your exit strategy should detail how you plan to transition your role, the transfer of ownership, and the financials of the business. This could involve selling the business, transferring shares to family members or employees, or creating an employee stock ownership plan, ESOP. Each option has pros and cons depending on your goals and the future you envision for the company. Work with legal and financial professionals to ensure that the succession plan is airtight. This might include drafting buy-sell agreements, establishing trusts, or creating mechanisms for valuing the business upon transfer. Without this structure, even a well-intentioned plan can fall apart. Let's take a look at the Seidel Group, a family-owned business based in New York. Seidel is the parent company of lifestyle hotel brands like Nomad and Line. In 2020, the company faced a challenge. Its founder, Andrew Zubler, had to begin transitioning leadership to his children. By establishing a succession plan years before, Zubler ensured that his children had the necessary skills and experience to lead the business forward. This smooth transition allowed the Seidel Group to continue thriving and expand despite the challenges of the pandemic. Another example, more local to here, Buc-ee's, the iconic Texas-based gas station and convenience store chain. The company's founder, Arch Beaver Applin, made sure his successor, his longtime partner, Don Wasik, was well prepared to continue growing the brand. In 2020, Buc-ee's expanded to new states, proving that a well-executed succession plan is a recipe for continued success. The consequences of neglecting succession planning are evident. For example, when small business owners fail to put a plan in place, it can lead to family disputes over control, loss of customers or key employees, financial turmoil, potential decline in business value, or even closure. As a business owner, you need to have the right team to help craft your succession plan. Working with financial advisors who specialize in business transitions is crucial. At Fortitude Strategic Solutions, we help our clients navigate the complexities of succession planning by offering expert advice on tax implication, legal frameworks, and financial strategies to protect your legacy. We understand that it's not just about transitioning ownership. It's about protecting the value of the business you've built and ensuring it can thrive for generations to come. Our expertise in financial planning and lending gives us a unique perspective on how to make the process as smooth as possible, helping you plan for a successful exit strategy without sacrificing your future goals. Succession planning isn't just a luxury, y'all. It's a necessity for any small business owner who wants to ensure that their company remains successful after they step away. Whether you're looking to pass the torch to a family member, sell to an employee, or take other steps, the time to start planning is now. I hope today's podcast has shed some light on the importance of succession planning and how it can make the difference between a smooth transition and the potential collapse of your business. If you haven't already, I encourage you to reach out to professionals like me who can guide you through the process. At Fortitude Strategic Solutions, we're here to help you with every step of your business journey, from building financial fortitude to ensuring your legacy. You can find out more at our website in the show notes, and make sure to follow us on socials to keep up with current events, market trends, and more at the BJJ Lender. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the BJJ Lender. Until next time, take care and keep growing your business with the right strategy in place. Until then, it's your boy Sham. Peace.